What is up, you guys? So today is Halloween, October 31st. It is 2:40 p.m. and I'm just not picking up this camera, y'all. I'm so sorry. I haven't been picking up the camera. I've been working on other stuff. If you guys haven't watched my budget videos, go check it out. I am budgeting real hard now because, you know, I got a whole bunch of bills from Josiah being in the hospital, in the ICU. But right now I'm on my way into Sam's Club to take back some fabric softeners. I forgot that I didn't like their brand fabric softener. Thank goodness I didn't open them, but I could smell them. I'm like, that smell is so familiar and I do not like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these back in. I haven't opened them, like I said. I'm gonna take it back in and get bounced because this right here, I don't like the smell of it. And I bought their fabric softener too, trying to budget. Child, I must just have to keep buying the name brand stuff because I'm like, I can't remember if I don't like the fabric softener either. But I don't use the fabric softener on my clothes. Only Naya and Ambrose can have like scent smelling stuff. The twins and I, we have to use no scent, so whatever. I feel like I'm screaming. I told you I be talking so loud. What is wrong with me? But anyways, I'm about to go into Sam's Club and take this stuff back. I only came in to get one thing, and that's just to exchange those get some bounce sheets, because those ones, those little generic ones, were not it. Like I said, I do not like the smell of those. I didn't open them. Even when I just returned them, I was like, I didn't open them, but I could smell them through the box. She's like, oh wow, these are strong. I was like, yeah, I can't deal with that stinky smell. That is not for me. So, oh my God, they don't look like they got any bounce, but it got a lot of that stinky stuff. No wonder it was a lot of that stuff left. Oh, here we go. Please, yes, they got some. And it's $2 more and you get less, but I am okay with that. I am A-okay. Here we go. Got some bounce. Now let's leave. Alright, so that just took forever. It is 3:05 right now, and I only got one thing. I only got the bounce, but it is Sunday, so everyone is out there shopping. I am about to go. First, I'm gonna see if my friend is ready for because we're supposed to do our paperwork for our girls trip and submit our first payment. Well, since we're in a room together, we got to submit our payment together. So I'm about to see if she's ready, and then we're gonna go ahead and submit our payment. I am thirsty. I should have got me something, but Sam's Club don't be having nothing to drink. There is, I don't know if it's open today, but there's like this organic, I don't know, but I have bought a smoothie from them one day. Child, that thing was so good. I should go and get me another one. Let me go and get me another one. I don't never treat myself. Let me go and get myself a little something. Oh, that bag. I'm like, what is that? You know, like, I don't know if anybody else knows, but when you're looking in the camera, it's so small that you really can't, and I'm blind, but you really can't see what that is. I didn't know what that bag was. It's my little Star Wars bag. But I'm gonna go get me a smoothie. I'm gonna show you guys the name of the place. Let's hope that it's open. Like, that smoothie, you know what? The smoothie I got was called Purple Rain. That's so funny, because that's the shirt I got on today. But let's... Alright, it says they're open from Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. How y'all making any money? Like, anyways, I just knew I was about to get me a smoothie. I'm about to go to Publix. Publix sells smoothies, I think, or maybe they're milkshakes. I don't know, but anyways, I gotta finish up some grocery shopping. My friend said she's not at home yet, so I'm about to go to Publix and then I'm gonna head to her house. Well, I'm gonna go to Publix, drop this stuff at home, and then head to her house. I should have been recording, y'all. We were just struggling to try to print something. We were struggling to try to print these forms. You said who I'm talking to? My camera?
Get me off of here.
She's crazy. She's insane. Let me throw these papers out. Alright, you guys, I have nothing else for you guys. I have nothing else going on today. It is 7:19 p.m. I'm not about to do anything really, so oh, you know what? I am about to decorate my planner, so I'm not gonna do like, you guys watch me, I'll just show you guys what it looked like afterwards. So let's get to that. All right, so now I am finished with this. This is what this week's planner pages are gonna be looking like. All I have to do now is write on them.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it?
All right, so this is my last week's planner, what I had done. A lot of things I got checked off. Whatever I didn't get checked off last week, I put it on the following week, so you guys see at the end. But a lot of stuff is repeat stuff, like cleaning the bedroom and doing laundry and prepping dinner is like repeat stuff. But some of this stuff, like me recording recording some videos, or not repeat, I just was not able to get them done this week. Sometimes I put the dates, sometimes I don't. If I don't get like anything done, I'll just save it for the following week. But this is what last week's looked like. The week before that, I guess I didn't really want to decorate. I guess I was feeling dark this week. This is extremely old. This is July. Oh no, I don't know what month this is. Sometimes, like I said, I got the dates, but I don't know what month this was. So that is it. Let me go ahead. I do believe I am finished. All right, I'm finished. All I have to do now is put away all of my stickers and stuff. But thank you all so very much for watching. If you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.